welcome to Indian Masterminds, the show where we celebrate excellence in bureaucracy. In commemoration of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections, the grand festival of democracy, we are highlighting remarkable bureaucrats who have transitioned from the executive branch to the legislature. I am Muskan Khandelwal, and today we are featuring Mr. Brij Lal, an esteemed IPS officer who made this significant leap. A super cop is supposed to control crime and keep in check law and order. This super cop, however, has turned into a lawmaker. The 1977 batch IPS officer and former Director General of Police of Uttar Pradesh, Brij Lal is a 4 times President Police Medal awardee. 2 years ago, he was selected to the Rajya Sabha as a BJP candidate. Let's glance at his journey. Why was he called a super cop and how has he landed in Rajya Sabha? He comes from a very humble family of Siddharth Nagar district of Uttar Pradesh. He had to trudge 20 kilometers every day on foot to reach school. He belonged to the Kori community, a Dalit. That was why he always had to struggle to find a seat in the classroom. Untouchability was still a dogma in those parts of the country. He was a studious child, always standing first in the class. His teachers suggested his parents to send him to a good institution for higher studies. That's how he landed in Allahabad University, then known as Oxford of the East. Here, everybody was preparing for the civil services. Brij Lal too joined the race and as ever emerged on the top in 1977. However, he preferred to join the IPS. He earned the moniker Super Cop because of numerous encounters with criminals, gangsters, dacoits and terrorists over a career lasting about 36 years. As SP of Pilibhit district, he led an operation against Sikh terrorists when 2 of his constables were gunned down by militants with automatic weapons in an ambush. He chased them down to Punjab where they had fled after the incident.
As SP Jalon, he had a number of encounters with dacoit gangs led by notorious Phullan Devi and Ghanshyam Kewat.
As SSP Lucknow in late 1980s, he controlled urban mafia led by Subhash Bhandari, Guru Baksh Singh Bakshi alias Bakshi Baba and Arun Shankar Shukla alias Anna Maharaj. He was not unaccustomed to taking unusual measures in tackling criminals. In a book penned by him, he has narrated an incident where a gangster, Tejpal Gurjar, had gunned down a couple of cops who were witness in a court case against him. As SSP made it, Brij Lal raided all but one place where he could have hidden, his maternal uncle's village in Bulandshahr district. He gave an impression to Gurjar that police was not aware of his hideout, knowing fully well the criminal would hide there and then would be an easy prey for the police. Brij Lal with 2 cops in disguise did a recce of the village. He then booked a bus and pasted it with posters of Shakil with Samina, disguised cops as Baratis, all of whom donned white round Muslim cap and kept all their weapons on the floor of the bus. They spotted Gurjar outside his uncle's house and warned him. He ran to save his life and fired at the police. And as they say, the rest is history. Gurjar was gunned down without much harm to the police party. The incident earned him his first President's Medal for gallantry. He subsequently earned 3 more of these medals beside many more accolades and cash rewards worth several lakhs. Mayawati, on taking over as Chief Minister in 2007, appointed Brij Lal as additional DG Law and Order. Not content with sitting in an air-conditioned office, he went back to the field and launched an attack against dacoits in Chitrakoot region. If Mayawati's regime was known for its excellent law and order situation, the architect indeed was a low-profile Mr. Brij Lal. He was promoted as DGP of the state in September 2011, 5 months before the state was to go for assembly election. However, on a complaint of Samajwadi Party that he was close to the BSP and was unlikely to be fair in office during elections, Election Commission removed him from the post on January 8, 2012. He finally retired from the IPS in 2014 and was perceived to be joining the BSP post-retirement. However, he officially joined the BJP in 2015 and was appointed as Chairman of State SC/ST Commission by Yogi Adityanath government in 2018. He emerged as BJP's Dalit and an educated face. The 69 years old Brijlal is still as energetic and active as probably when he had just joined the IPS. He has written almost half a dozen books and has almost 100% attendance in the parliament. He has participated in almost every debate of consequence, putting across his and his party's point of view very clearly. He epitomizes what change an upright bureaucrat can usher in the so-called cesspool of politics. The next video will focus on why UP's politics is attracting the maximum number of bureaucrats. Until then, stay curious, stay informed and stay tuned. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant alerts.